Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best cookware for gas stove is Tefal C836 SD cookware set. Tefal has aspired to make the lives of busy home cooks easier by providing ingenious, high-performing and user-friendly cookware that enables a shortcut to desired results, every time. It all started with a simple idea, a non-stick pan that would revolutionize food preparation, transfer and cleanup. Tefal Ultimate Stainless Steel features the multi-layer construction, copper, stainless steel and aluminum, that's typically found in high-end cookware, making it a great choice for any home cook who cares about great-tasting food, time-tested durability and easy dishwasher-safe cleanup. Tefal Ultimate Stainless Steel Cookware's heavy-gauge multi-layer base consists of copper and an encapsulated aluminum core for enhanced heat distribution and retention, as well as 18/10 stainless steel for rugged strength with a gleaming mirror finish. This combination is ideal for promoting faster heat-up times and when sautéing or cooking temperature-sensitive foods. Number 2 in our side is Cuisinart Cookware Set. Cuisinart's Multiclad Pro line includes deluxe cookware for the professional home chef. The 18/10 stainless steel pots and pans have a brushed finish on the outside and a mirror-polished interior for non-reactive, quick release of foods. Each piece is oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and the pans can also be used in the broiler. This fantastic set includes both basics and more. Everything from oatmeal to bechamel sauce can be made in the 1.5 and 3-quart saucepans with lids. 8 and 10-inch open skillets for perfect grilled cheese, hamburgers, and crepes. 3.5-quart covered sauté pan with cover for braising meats and cooking fish fillets, and an 8-quart covered stock pot for stews and soups are also included. This dishwasher-safe set has no flaking coatings or melting plastic and will undoubtedly be passed down to the next generation. The great French kitchens, Cuisinart began making professional cookware almost 30 years ago. Constructed of the finest materials available to perfectly perform all the classic cooking techniques, Cuisinart cookware continues a long tradition of excellence. Third in our best cookware for gas stove list is Green Pan Sear Smart Cookware Pots. This Green Pan has dynamic surfaces combined with Thermalon Diamond Advanced, our most advanced non-stick coating, to create an incredible fusion of performance and durability. It redesigned the shape of this collection, creating full efficiency bodies with up to 40% more cooking space than our standard sets. The convenience and safety of non-stick ceramic, combined with the conduction of aluminum and the flavor-enhancing texture of cast iron. Green Pan employs a duo-forged body, which is double hard anodized. It is at least 3 times more resistant to warping than standard aluminum. When combined with a thick armored base, the Sear Smart can withstand the heat fluctuations of gas stoves. Its warp resistance is comparable to, if not better than, that of steel cookware. However, because aluminum spreads heat better than steel, there are no hot spots here. This non-stick coating is made entirely of sand-based ceramic, with no Teflon. Green Pan then infuses the ceramic with diamond flakes to increase durability even further. Because diamond is 5 times more conductive than copper, it makes this set more responsive. Quick temperature changes are no problem. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is all-clad D3 stainless cookware set. The D3 has 3-layer build, starts with a corrosion-resistant 18 by 10 steel interior to protect flavor. This cooking surface has a smoother, less stick finish than similar pans. Underneath sits a solid 1.7 mm thick aluminum layer for rapid heat spread over gas burners. Then, hardened 400 series stainless steel wraps the exterior. It makes the cookware induction compatible and further reinforces the base to prevent warping. While this design seems obsolete to all-clad's 5-ply, it gives pans for gas stoves several benefits. The D3 is more responsive than the non-copper D5 over gas burners. It heats about 10% faster and allows quicker heat adjustments to avoid burning food. The rugged steel handles offer stay-cool designs. Plus, hang holes enable space-saving storage. Unbreakable stainless steel lids accompany everything but the fry pans. But, the sauté and saucepan lids fit over the skillets, although not 100% perfectly. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is hex-clad cookware set. The hexagon design is created through a laser etching process to provide both stainless steel and non-stick surface. This dual surface allows your kitchen set to be cleaned easily. Cook using less oil, grease, and butter. Featuring a patented laser-etched hexagon design and tri-ply construction, hex-clad is PFOA-free, oven-safe up to 500 degrees, stovetop and induction range ready, and features stay-cool handles for a premium kitchen sets experience. To create a durable cooking set built to last requires a tri-ply construction. The first and third layer is stainless steel for sturdy non-stick pots features. The aluminum in between conducts consist in even heat distribution. It's have a middle layer of aluminum, which acts as the heating element, providing the pan with nice, even heating. We then sandwich this aluminum layer between one more layer of steel. Using a laser etching process, we are then able to create our patented hex-clad hexagon design on the cookware. This unique design creates a series of peaks and valleys.